Hello, my name is Labisa Shana. You're welcome to our official YouTube channel. If you just come to my channel for the first time, I want to say you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I will say thank you very much. Without wasting much of your time, let me go into today's business. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to open a Payoneer account here in Nigeria. I'll be dropping the link in the comment section. So when you click on the link, it brings you to this interface, and make sure you sign up with that link so that we can both earn $25 once you start your Payoneer account to receive money. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the business of today. Just click on sign up. Now we are here. Just choose okay. One said I own a registered business. I'm managing one my own business. I want to pay friends and family overseas. Let me just click this one. So they're asking us what's the range of transactions we'll be doing. So let's just click here so that we won't have verification issue on the long run. So let's click on register. So once you come here, you see, just leave this place as individual. Leave it as individual, and you want to make sure you fill in all these details. So once you fill in all these details, you click on next. So I'm going to fill in my details, and I'll click on next. So after filling your details in the first step, just click on next, and it brings you to what? To the second interface. One thing I want to mention here is make sure your details is correct. What is on your ID card is correct with what you're filling on Payoneer, and also correct with the account name you are using. That is very, very, very important. That's very, very important. So here my nationality is Nigerian. So go ahead and fill in my street address and postal code, my number. So after filling in my number, they're going to send me a code to my number, which I'm going to input here. So once I input the code here, right, I'm going to click on next. By the time I input the code here, this next is going to change. I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to go to the next step. So go ahead and follow the prompt. If you don't know how to get your postal code, just go to Google and type postal code for postal code for Nigerian or any area you are in Nigerian. You see, there are varieties of it. So just pick one and use right to your friend. So or one that is close to you, can take your time to go through them. You can take your time to go through them. So let's continue. So I'm going to fill in my prompts now. I will go ahead. So after that, I click on send. After inputting my code, which is sent to me almost immediately, then I click on send. Then we'll go ahead. Then here I want to enter my password. So go ahead, fill out this prompt, enter your password. I'm going to enter my password again. Okay, security questions. Just you want to make sure is what you know. What you can remember. You want to make sure is what you can remember. What's the first name of the eldest of your cousin? I might not be able to remember. What is your oldest sibling's birthday? Spouse. Just make sure it's something you can remember. What was the model of your first car? Okay, this is good for me. So let me answer it there. So Nigeria. So any ID card you want to use, click on the ID card you want to use, put in the number, put in the date, expiring date, follow the prompt, and afterwards you're going to click on next, right? Just follow this prompt and you get to click on next. So I'm done filling that prompt, then I'm here. This is the last stage. So once we're here, Nigeria current so again, they're asking us to fill in our account details, so I'm just going to fill in my account details. Okay, put my account number, then I'll tick this I agree with terms and conditions. You can also do what to go through the terms and conditions, then click on submit. So if then click on submit, then Payoneer, they're going to verify your account if it's up to standard, if you fill everything accordingly. But if you follow my prompts the way I taught you here, you're going to definitely be verified. You're going to be verified and you can start using your Payoneer account. But make sure you sign up using the link so you can both earn $25, right? And if you're getting values from this video, do well to give it a thumbs up. Good, congratulations, your Payoneer account version has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. So by the time you reveal it, they're going to get back to us and we've been able to open up Payoneer account successfully. If you get this value from this video, do want to give it a thumbs up, do want to subscribe to this channel, and do want to press the notification bell so you miss any update like this. Thank you very much and God bless you.